Hi everyone, Tishan again from Redline Technologies, and we are coming to you live, well not live because this will be pre-recorded, from our new domain down Joseph's Lane. Today we'll be taking a look at the Logitech X50 wireless Bluetooth speaker. So what this is it's a tiny itty-bitty Bluetooth speaker. I'll just go through what's on the box. It says wirelessly connect via Bluetooth up to 10 meters away, rechargeable battery, so you can listen to music for up to 5 hours without recharging it again. It has an auxiliary input, so if you have something like an iPod or something that is not Bluetooth compatible, you can just plug it into this. It will act as a speaker. And what else does it have? It has a 1-year warranty, and what's in the box is the speaker itself, a USB cable, and some documentation. And it is Swiss technology. Alright, let's get to the unboxing of the speaker itself. So it's sealed on all 3 sides. So to cut the seal, I'll pretend like I'm cutting the seal because this was previously opened. So once you open it up, it's like they said, the USB cable, documentation, and the speaker itself. No freebies. The hell, Logitech? Like stickers, like Razer does? Increase gaming performance? Nothing. Whatever. Comes in this clamshell packaging. Very neatly packaged, actually. So that one, and a manual for how to use it. It's in French. It's useful. And safety, compliance, and warranty information. So it doesn't seem like they've included a manual in this, so probably just gonna have to wing it. Okay, USB cable also. So going over what this thing looks like I said, okay, there's a micro USB charging port there, 3.5 millimeter auxiliary port. Then you have a volume down, or looks like a volume down, power button. It's also the, I think the Bluetooth pairing button. There's a Bluetooth logo on top of that, and the volume up button. So 3 buttons total. And on top, what you have is this weird honeycomb design on the mesh of the front of the speaker. Honestly, it's not the best looking Bluetooth speaker we've seen, but well, it's only about $30. So okay, so let's power this thing on and see how loud this thing can get. I assume it's press once to turn on. It is. And okay, there's an LED indicator there that says it's in pairing mode, I think. It just keeps blinking. So I'll just turn on Bluetooth on my phone here and see if we can detect this thing. And yes, it's paired already. Alright, so I'm not sure what the default volume level is, so I'll just play something at a moderate volume. So I'll play some music. Let's play, I think everyone knows this song. So the volume levels at the moment that's max volume. So I think default volume level is set pretty high. When you reach max volume, it gives you an indicator. I think that beeping sound is an indicator of max volume. What else? It's actually pretty loud. Alright, let's test out the Bluetooth range of this thing. So I'm gonna leave this here and I'll pass the phone on to 0 and he's gonna walk away with it. And let's see where it cuts out. So he's about 15 feet away? Yeah, it's about 15 feet. Okay. So yeah, that's about 30 odd feet, yeah. That was about 7 or 8 meters. So it is as advertised, I suppose. They say 10 meters, but you know, they've kept some room for error. So at high volumes, the speaker tends to distort a bit. That is expected though, because I think it's a 1.5 inch driver. So still very clear, but it distorts, I think, due to the limitation of the driver itself. Overall though, pretty loud. I can see this being used, let's say if you don't want something that's very, very loud, then I'd say this is a very good option for the price especially. It's priced at about $30, so that's about 5,000 rupees here. So that was our overview of the Logitech X50 wireless Bluetooth speaker. We have a demo unit of this at the store, so if anyone wants to come and check it out, they can. Bring your own Bluetooth device because our phones are usually not charged. 18% battery. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook for the latest product updates. So that's it. Okay, bye.